Position of the patient.
Supine.
Supine, na hindi ka mag-pro. Hindi lang ka-pro, di ba? Pero nga hindi mo ng proper position. If your rectus femoris is tight, kung tight sa ano actually rectus fem? Flexion of the hip, extension of the
Knee.
knee. So kung tight sa rectus fem, what will happen to your knee? Ma-flex mo siya or hindi?
Hindi.
Hindi mo siya ma-flex. So, therefore, kung prone ka, ang active mo is rectus fem. So obviously, it will pull your knee towards extension. That's why hindi mo ma-flex. So para ma-eliminate ka, you will do heel slides. Diba? Sige sir. Flex. Dali ka measure sa flexion. Di kaya sa prone. Because ma-wrong ka mga value or ma-false imong ROM because tight gali ang rectus fem. That's why hindi ka flex. So let's review lang. I think discuss naman yun sa kines. So here's the full prone. Lateral epicondyle, proximal arm, lateral midline of the femur, the distal arm, lateral midline of the fibula. So just instruct the patient to do heel slides. So certain slide heels, which is sorry, left that, sorry. What's the normal value? 100? 135. 135. 5 degrees. For flexion. So 115. So flexion is again supine heel slides. So extension naman, okay lang yan. Nga, prone. Best position, prone. Pero yung starting position din, obviously kung yung mag-inalan tao, in-assess is extension. Starting position mo would be the flex position. So normal value, di ba 0 degrees? Prone, lateral, or I think same. Yeah, same landmarks. Lateral, sir, can you extend your knee? So, bilang normal value of extension? 0. 0 degrees. So, dapat ma-0 degrees yaman na 1. So, beyond 5 degrees in adults, consider hyperextension. If mag-beyond, 5 degrees. Okay? So, wala ito na ROM. Okay, knee flexion MMD. So we have 3. For knee flexion, tatlo kabilog at mga steps, no? 1 is whole hamstrings. We have medial and lateral hamstrings. The first MMT for knee flexion is, for example, tanang hamstrings. Inactivate. The second and third one would be if you want to isolate the medial hamstrings. And the third one, if you want to isolate the lateral hamstrings. Okay. Hamstrings, muscle in aggregate, ito natin sila. So prone lang with legs straight, with toes hanging over the edge of the table. So medyo kahang ang edge. Okay. Then stand next to the limb of the patient. A towel roll placed just above the knee may make this position more comfortable. So although not shown, pero pwede kakabutang towel here. So, next. For number 3, completes full range of motion without external resistance. So, palpate the hamstrings. Sir, can you bend your knee as much as you can? 1, 2, 3, start. Okay. Pwede ka sa again, 1 to 3. Grade 3. Grade 4, ano yung try mo? Resistance.
Minimal.
Moderate resistance. So, okay. Sir, can you bend your knee? So, just can 1 to 3. Okay. Then, grade 5, maximum resistance. 1 to 3. Okay. Down. Next. So, 3, 4, if all hamstring muscles.
Can you hold this for a
Next, kung
second?
medial hamstrings lang yan, the position of the patient,
Hold it.
prone with knee flex to 45 degrees, legs in internal rotation. If internal rotation, your toes are pointing towards the midline. Okay, midline. So this is 90 degrees, diba? Half of 90 is 45. Okay? So, make sure naka-internal rotate si knee, then 45 degrees flex. Tayo. So, patient flexes the knee with any leg internal rotation. Therapist resists knee flexion to the ankle using a downward and outward force. So, downward, outward force. Okay. Downward, outward force. So, hand placements, palpate your hamstrings. See. Rotation. Sir, can you bend your knee as much as you can? That's 1, 2, 3. Okay. So again, downward plus upward force. So this is for the medial hamstrings. So kung medial hamstrings, ano yung palpate mo man? Medial hamstrings. Okay. Again, 1 to 3. Bend your knee as much as you can. Rotation. 1 to 3. Sorry. Okay, that's for the medial hamstrings. So next. Next, kung lateral hamstrings naman, so yun, wala ang biceps fem. This time, toes are pointed laterally. Okay, laterally. So, legs external rotation, resist knee flexion at ankle using a downward. This time, downward plus inward force. Okay lang kung gamay. So this one is the lateral hamstring. So palpate your lateral hamstring. So again, downward plus inward force. So sir, can you flex your knee as much as you can? 1, 2, 3. Wait, no, sorry. Flex your knee as much as you can. 1, 2, 3. Relax. 1, 2, 3. So, grade 4, moderate resistance. Grade 5, maximal resistance. Okay, next, grade 2. Position is side lying. So, side lying with test limb uppermost. So, dapat ang upper limb ang maning test limb. Stand by the patient knee level. One arm is used to cradle the thigh, providing hand support at the medial side of the knee. So, din kaga, medial side of the knee. So, tayo kaya. Other hand supports the leg at the ankle just above the malleolus. Just above the malleolus. So for this one, patient flexes the knee through the available ROM. So, di ba support mo by eliminate, this is the way to eliminate the gravity. So the whole time, the support ka sa knee patient. So sir, can you bend your knee? 1, 2, 3. Again. 1, 2, 3. That's grade 2, di ba? Gravity eliminated. Grade 1, prone lang talaga yung position. So, you are just trying to prone. You're just trying to check if there is muscle contraction. So, pwede mo man 45 degrees. Sige, sir, can you bend your knee as much as you can? Grade 1, di ba? Wala kang move. Pero ka-check na lang if may muscle contraction. So again, you can palpate the medial or lateral hamstrings. Then grade 0 if wala muscle contraction. Sige, next na lang. Next, we have knee extension. So again, part C rectus femoris. Your vastus intermedius, lateralis, medialis for the extensors. So these are called your what muscle? Your quads.
Quads.
Diba? 4 muscles. Sige, short sitting. So place a towel under the patient's distal thigh for comfort. Din ang distal thigh.
Right there.
Distal thigh. Right here. Okay. Patient's hand rests on the table, hands on the body for stability, or may grass the table there. So okay lang mag-straight back. Then you may. Patient extends knee for the available range of motion, but not beyond 0 degrees. So you're not doing hyperextension. So just resist the movement. Hindi ka man ka sa quads. 1, 2, 3. Again, not beyond 0 degrees. Next. So grade 5 maximal, grade 4 moderate, grade 3 siya lang. Configuration mo siya. Next. Next side lying gap. Wala ito nga grade 2. Okay, grade 2. Again, test limb uppermost, lower limb may be flex for stability. So again, flex for stability is lower limb. Then, since you're testing knee extension, you will move the knee into flexion. Ilang degrees? 90 degrees na. So can you move this up? Again, one hand, di ka cradle. So may thigh na yun, distal thigh. One hand, just above the malleolus. Sakto. So from this is 190 degrees. Sige sir, can you try to straighten your knee as I support it? 1, 2, 3. Again, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Grade 2. Next. Grade 1. Sige, sabay. So kung grade 1 naman, you're just testing kung may muscle contraction sa quads. So either sa patellar tendon, ka mapalpit, or proximal to it sa may quads na yun. Pero okay naman dali. Sige sir, can you try to extend your knee? So maka-feel ko muscle contraction. Okay, that's grade 1. Grade 0, kung wala, contraction. Okay na ta?